You have to try this chicken breast recipe. Simple and delicious. First, slice the chicken breast thinly. Add cooking wine, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and a spoon of starch. Mix well and marinate for 10 minutes. Heat oil, then add the marinated chicken. Stir fry until cooked and color changes, then set aside. Heat oil, then add scallions, ginger, and garlic to release aroma. Add green and red peppers and onion chunks. Stir fry over high heat. Stir fry until the onion is fragrant. Add the chicken breast. Add some salt, MSG, and a little light soy sauce. Stir fry on high heat until well combined and fragrant. Then serve. Isn't it super simple? If you've learned this, save it and give it a try.